possibly 3. So,
Right.
it's definitely winter out there at the moment, but by the weekend,
Yeah, it's spring again.
all right, we're going to melt off some of this snow. We still have some very wintry weather on the way in, and you can see what's coming off of the eastern side of Lake Michigan here with all of this lake effect snow coming down through Fort Wayne, a little bit near Lima, and then down into central Ohio. Same thing happening here in northeastern Ohio. They can end up with a good 6 to 8 inches worth of snow in places like Chardon and Mentor, on over toward Ashtabula. We have some light snow happening in central Ohio at the moment. Most of that is just barely enough to even coat the grass at all. But you can see a little of that down near Circleville, some of that in the middle of Ross County, and just barely getting into Pike County. Downtown's skyline looks okay. Not seeing a whole lot happening there at the moment. The airport reporting partly cloudy skies and only 24 degrees. The wind out of the west at 12. So your wind chill right now is 13 degrees. These are your D.R. Horton America's Builder current conditions, and these are the air temperatures. Everybody's pretty much in the low to mid 20s right now. But with the wind, that pushes Mount Vernon down to 11 right now. Chillicothe at 14. Athens at 16, so definitely bundle up if you have to go out this evening. Snow showers over the next few hours, and then they begin to taper off because we start seeing the wind changing direction a little bit. So that's going to eliminate some of the moisture that's coming into the neighborhood. You see those temperatures holding pretty steady through the night, 24 to 26 degrees. Wind chills will stay in the teens. It is going to be a frigid start to your day tomorrow morning. Couple of slick spots are possible. Watch because of those scattered snow showers. It could make some surfaces wet. That could refreeze during the night tonight, and then those snow showers will start to taper off. Here's your joke on a Monday. This one's from Carol. Hey, what does a storm cloud wear under its raincoat?
Storm cloud.
I actually used this joke at school talks. He wears thunderwear. Oh, thunderwear in your storm cloud. Thank you, Carol. Here we are today with some of that snow. That is going to be pretty much tapering off first thing tomorrow morning. And then we have a mostly cloudy day. See this wind by then coming up out of the southwest? That's why it's not coming across the lake anymore. So that turns off the lake effect snow. And then late Tuesday night, we start to see a little bit of clearing. But it's windy all day. That continues on Wednesday, still coming up from the south and southwest. Even though this cold front's coming through, it's not going to generate much more than some gusty winds. So plan on that for tomorrow. Gusty winds, gusting 20, 25 miles per hour, and keeping those wind chills very cold. We're windy, we're cold, we're mostly cloudy for most of the day. 30 mile per hour wind gusts, not out of the question. But then, Wednesday, we're up into the 50s. It's still windy, but we're going to melt everything off. So that snow that's out there in the yard is going to disappear. Thursday and Friday, still in the 50s. And then it's spring by the weekend with highs in the 60s.